Hello, Sam from mem.com here again, just with a quick one today on how to upload an image to Instagram without having to use your mobile phone or a special tool like Hootsuite or something else. It's pretty simple. If we just go to your Instagram page in Google Chrome, and so that's the way that we'll use it today, Google Chrome. This more than likely would work in Firefox as well, or Safari, or any other browser with DevTools, which is pretty much every browser. But today we're using Chrome just for simplicity's sake. Make sure that you're logged in to Instagram, and you can see here that we're going through our Instagram. There's nowhere for us to be able to upload an image via the web interface on a browser, unless we do a quick magic trick, which is if we right-click in the within Chrome on our Instagram page, and we just go down to this bottom item here, inspect, and hit that. That will open up this huge menu on the side here. All this code here. So this is all the HTML code behind the Instagram site. This is all CSS, and there's a whole lot of other stuff in there as well. If you want to know what's going on in there, by all means come along to one of our workshops and I'll explain it all to you bit by bit. And once we've got our DevTools open, all we need to do here is make sure we click this toggle device toolbar. See, if we click that, it looks like we're on a mobile phone now, and if we unclick it, it doesn't. So make sure that is clicked in so it looks like we're on a mobile phone, and there'll be a menu here of selecting a number of different mobile devices. Now we'll need to refresh the page again, and what that's doing is it's sending Instagram, what Chrome is doing is telling Instagram that we're on a mobile device, because these DevTools is actually for developers, for web developers, to test how their website works in a mobile environment. And so to do that, Chrome tricks the website into thinking that you're actually on a mobile phone. So it's great for testing in your development lifecycle, but it's also really handy for things like this when you actually need to pretend that you are actually on a mobile device, so this will work. So now we can just pretend that we are actually on a mobile device. So we can go down to this bottom menu down here in the footer, hit the plus sign, that's going to open up, and here's an image I've already selected earlier. I can open that up, which is an image advertising some workshops coming up in Melbourne next week. And so I go, yep, that's the image I want. I can click next. Again, exactly like it is on a mobile device. I've already got some words that I've already pre-written and put in my desk on my clipboard, which is, again, a whole lot easier than trying to type that out on a mobile phone. We've got that there. Fantastic. I'm going to share that now. We could have obviously added a location if we wanted to, but I decided not to. One of the beauties of this now, though, is that there's our image uploaded to Instagram. Beautiful. And I can now add a comment to that, which is all the hashtags I want to add. Pardon me. Which is a whole lot of things around digital business and so forth, around the people who generally like coming along to our workshops and the people we're trying to post to. So that is, and I'll post that, so that is the way that we can add a photo to Instagram, a picture to Instagram, without having to use our mobile device, and can do it straight from the desktop. We don't have to use any special tools like Hootsuite or Grum or anything like that, straight from the browser, and that is fantastic. Thank you again for listening. Sam from mem.com, come along to a workshop sometime. That is meeum.com. It's right there in front of you on the screen anyway, on that Instagram page. And we'll see you soon. Thanks again.